Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily see or find your liked reels on Instagram all in one place. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store. This works for both iPhone and Android the same. So go ahead and find Instagram here and just make sure you have the app updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure that the process works smoothly. After that, you can quit the store. So go ahead and open Instagram now, and of course you have to be logged in. Let me like some reels and I'll show you how can I find them later. I'm gonna go ahead and like this one in front of me right here on my feed, just like that. I'm gonna go to reels category and like some more. Let me like this one right here. Yeah, just like that. Now let's say I did refresh my page. Let me go ahead and do that, and I lost these reels and I want to know how can I find them or where to find them. Now this is where I'm gonna start to show you how. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile. From your profile we need to go to settings, so tap on the three lines in the top right corner right there. Just like that, we're in settings. Now within settings you gotta tap on your activity. It should be right under archive, just like that, and at the very top you find the likes. Go ahead and tap on it. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once it loads up, here you can find basically all of your posts. You can use the filters on the top of the screen to filter out the reels. Now I'm just gonna show you all the posts. Here are the reels that I have liked recently. Now if I want to delete them or unlike them, I can go one by one, or I can tap on select in the top right corner and then check some that I want to unlike, and once I'm done I can tap on unlike in the bottom, that one in red. Tap on unlike. It's gonna take a couple of seconds again, and once it loads up you can find, or you can see, that those videos you have selected are unliked. Within this page you can find many stuff like comments and other things as well if you're interested. That's it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.